Good morning, guys. So, ako ay pupunta na rin on site, but as I promised, instead na babayahin natin yung the usual route, we're gonna use um, LRT via Sukat Station. So, I'm ready get up. Ito na yung get up ko. And, samahan niyo ako sa biyahe.
Hello guys, so voice over takeover dito. So I'm already closing the door and it's already 1:59 p.m. So ilang oras kaya abutin yung biyahe ko. So normally, when I actually do walk with my normal route, mabilisan talaga ako maglakad. And ang lakad ko mostly takes me 15 minutes. So that's me. Yan, nakaano yung mukha ko. So, sorry kung maalog. I'm already walking and I'm a bit in a hurry kasi mainit. But this is actually isa sa mga ruta papuntang Sukat. So, this is India Street. So, ito yung papunta ng France. So, I'm really sorry if it's shaking. So, ito na. Nakasakay na ako dito ng tricycle. Ito na yung papuntang the first stop ng terminal, which is going to Malacanang. Yung Malacanang terminal. So, since 2 terminals ang sumasakop sa lugar namin. So, yung kulay blue is the terminal here in Barangay Don Bosco. And then, for the red terminal, it's actually yung part na Malacanang. So, Malacanang here is a village. Malacanang village kasi most ng streets ay pangalan ng mga presidente. And ito na, yung time na nakababa na ako ng tricycle. So, yan na po. Ito na po yung naka-tricycle na ako. So, if you notice, color red na yung tricycle. Ito yung sinasabi ko na red terminal na yung sumasakop dito sa Malacanang. And this is already, I'm on my way going to Valley 1, which is yung sa may entry point ng after na Sukat. So, sobrang init. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang init yan. So, I'm almost here. Kaya lang ako binilisan ko na kasi mahirap mag-vlog habang nasa biyahe. And right now, I'm here at the Valley 1 and entry. So yan, papasakay ako ng jeep. And it's already 2:31. So from 1:59 to 2:31, almost isang oras rin tayo ng biyahe. Kasi sobrang traffic din. So ito yung pakiramdam ng yung pakiramdam na nakalagay sa lap yung bag mo. And after that, after how many minutes? So, yung trip to Sukat, from Valley 1 Sukat, going to SM Sukat, it's like a, let's just say 30 to 45 minute ride kasi may bottleneck traffic. And right now, andito ako sa SM. And of course, may nakita akong manggoong. So, nagbasa-basa muna ako ng horoscope. And then, I'm already on my way to Building B. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala. Sa mga Chinese friends natin dito, Gong Si Fa Chai. And I hope you have more blessings to come po. Anyways, back to the vlog. So, just to let you know guys, may napansin na ako dito na sana ginawa ko na kanina. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung road that's the main road. At yung likod niyan is yung overpass na dinanan ko kanina. At sabi ko, sana nilakad ko na lang, hindi na ako nag-SM. At isipin nyo, katirik-tirikan ng araw, ang init-init. Yun, kung nakikita nyo red na bubungan, that's already yung Dr. A. Santos Station, which is the last and first station entry ng LRT. So, the usual, and here are the ticket prices. So, yan yung ticket prices. So, make sure to keep your beep cards open. So, I'm already here entering the station. So, wait for part 2 na ako. See ya!